Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to install OMA client in MWA. So in order to install this, you should get the OMA client. You can get it by using an Oracle SR, or maybe if any of your teammates or somebody has it, you can get that file. And then keep it in any of your system folders. Here I have kept it in my C drive. I have created a folder called as OMA and kept the files inside it. Here you can see there is a lib file, there is a OMA.cmd file and a system log file. The next step is to open the OMA.cmd file in a notepad and edit some of the values. First value is the MWGUA top. So this field you need to enter the value of your the system location where you have kept your OMA client. I have kept it in C drive in OMA folder, so I have kept that path. Next step is to set the Java top. So in this field, you need to enter the value of your Java JRE location. I have kept it as C program files Java JRE path. After setting these values, you need to save this notepad. The values will get saved, and then you can double click on the OMA CMD file and it will open the file. So a screen will open like this where you need to provide the host, the site port and other details. The site can be varied depending on your instance. It could be dev instance or test or prod, whatever instance you want to access. The host name is your company host name, whatever you have. And the port details is normally 1021, which is a telnet port. Once you have selected these values, just click on connect. After that, you will be prompted to enter your username and password. So enter your credentials. There will be an option to select your database, or it could be one value. So let's select that and click on enter. Now you are inside the OMA client. So you see the different pages which are available here. So you can click on any of these icons like the default or the system device and click on enter. Normally I choose to click on default and then click on enter. Now based on whatever responsibilities you have, you will be able to see the various menus. I have the warehouse operation responsibility to assign to my user ID, so I'm able to see the below menus, the inbound, outbound, inquiry, warehousing and the org transfer menu. You can navigate to any of these menus. You can use the downward arrow button to go through it. So in order to go inside this, you can just use the downward arrow key to go inside that, and then you will be able to see that particular menu. So here I have one menu open. So in this I am asked to enter the org code. So similarly you will have different menus. You can navigate through the menus. Thank you for watching.